Apple English Network presents SpongeBob SquarePants Storm Warning by Sonia Sander. SpongeBob, Squidward, go home and get ready for the snowstorm, ordered Mr. Krabs. He ran out to bury his money in the dirt. You are going to be sorry if you don't get ready, warned Squidward. It's going to be the worst snowstorm ever. That's why we are having a storm party, said SpongeBob. Squidward worked hard. He boarded up his windows. Mark my words, they are going to be sorry, Squidward said to himself. SpongeBob and Patrick started their party. They took turns blowing up balloons. The storm is the star of the party, SpongeBob cried. The storm got closer. The snow swirled. Squidward dragged in his last plant. SpongeBob turned up the music. Watch me spin like the storm, he said. The sky got very dark, but the snow from the storm only fell on Squidward's house. SpongeBob and Patrick still partied. Squidward's house was buried by the storm. It looked like the North Pole, but SpongeBob's house was not harmed. We knew you'd change your mind, Squidward. You are just in time for karaoke. The end. Storm warning.